How to fix camera app not showing on iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to fix the camera app if it's missing from your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you a few simple methods to find and restore the camera app. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Swipe down on the home screen to open Spotlight Search, then type Camera into the search bar. If the camera app appears in the results, press and hold the camera icon. If the option is available, tap Add to Home Screen to put it back on your home screen. If you still can't find the camera app, the next thing to check is your screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app, then tap Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Check whether any restrictions are preventing the camera from being available. You can temporarily turn off content and privacy restrictions to see if the camera app comes back. If the camera is still missing, there's one more method you can try. Go back to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Home Screen Layout. Confirm the reset when prompted. This will restore the default home screen layout, so any apps that were moved around will be reorganized. Now, return to your home screen and check for the camera app again. And that's how you can fix the camera app not showing on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.